How to see YouTube search history. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can see your YouTube search history. Firstly, open YouTube on your device. Now this has to be the most simple and easy way. At the top right corner, you will see your search icon. Click on it and right here you will see all of your search history. If you want to delete any of these, then simply swipe and tap on delete. Now there are other ways also that you can view your YouTube search history. For this, go to the U tab at the bottom. Now tap on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. Click on your data in YouTube. Now a menu like this will open. Here simply scroll down and you will see your YouTube search history section. And here also you will be able to see your search history. You can scroll down even more to see more data. Additionally, you can even watch your watch history on YouTube. If you want to view more data, then you can also do that. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.